I have a 2005 Kia Sedona, and whenever I'm driving and I happen to apply brake, I hear some knocking sound that comes from the back. And initially I thought it was the door that was not properly locked because of a large problem, but later on when I come to check, I see that the rear strut or the shock absorber, some of the bushing, or should I say the bushing, is all weared off, and I believe whenever I apply the brake, that is where the knocking sound comes. So looking at this one, you can see it's totally off. Now let's take a look, and that is on the right side, and let's take a look at the other one. That one too, at least it looks better, but since we have the parts, we'll just change everything and fix it up. So we bought these parts from an auto shop, and luckily that one comes with the bushings and the rear strut or the shock absorber. And since we're changing, I mean, it's better to change in pairs, so that way the car will be in good shape. So we'll then take the lump nuts. This one is 21. And we need to get a better place to jack this one and put it under there. Okay. At least we have to spray some antifreeze in order to, hopefully that may loosen up the bolt. Metal bushing. Metal first, bushing, and metal on top. And we also take these ones. So this is the last bolt, and alright, now that is taken out. So what we need to do is now unbolting these nuts and then switch the new strut into this bracket. And as you can see, it's rusty, so we need to brush it up and then, if possible, paint it up a little bit. put the washer facing upwards, then you put the bushing, then on top here you put the bushing, and then you put the washer facing downward. And this is the nylon nut, which you will then tighten it down. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest with the bolt, and then I'll show you the end product. It keeps spinning, so what I'll do is that I'll hold on to this part with a vice grip and then turn the remaining one. Should be the end product. Okay, so now we can mount this on the car. So we now have all the 4 in it, as you can see. All right, so this nut, we need a 19 socket to hold on to it, and we'll try to bolt it on that gap that we saw. All right. So once this has been set up and hooked up, now we try to put the strut, the lower part, into this place. So what you do is that you would have to push this one upwards, and the good thing is that as you push, it's going to squeeze itself and then decrease the height. We put some anti-seize. Put our washer. We'll put our nut. So we finally bolted everything back in, so we'll go to the other side and then do for that part too, and after that I'll then put my tires back, and it's safer to drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, it is yours. fix it.